what's up guys? My name is Bill. Welcome to my channel Cars That Last. On today's video I'm going to show you how to repair an oil pan drain plug. On this video I took actually about a year and a half ago. That's when I owned a 2000 Honda Accord, had 242,000 miles on it. And the oil pan drain plug had a leak. It was dripping. It probably had so many different oil changes on it. At some point, whoever changed the oil stripped the threads a little bit, and it was causing a little bit of a drip. So I wanted to fix it. And I thought, well, first of all, I'll just go get a new oil pan drain plug, which made sense. I put the new one in, and it still leaked. So I went back to the store. I went to Napa in this case, and I said, what else can I do? Now, there's a couple different things I found on YouTube. Some things were helpful, some things weren't. The first solution you could do, you could put a whole new drain pan in. It's a 242,000 mile car. I didn't want to invest the money and the time into putting in a new drain pan, so that was out. The second thing you can do is you can get a plug that is going to be a little bit bigger, and you can re-thread that hole. Well, I didn't want to take the risk of that. I'm not that, I wasn't that confident in that approach. A new plug can come with new gaskets. I thought, I don't know. So my third choice is the one I went with, is putting in, and you'll see it in this video, putting on new RTV, or putting on some RTV sealant on the plug. And I will say at the end of this video, it worked great. I did multiple oil changes afterwards, and it still didn't leak even after just one application of the RTV sealant. So let's take a look at the video. On the Honda, it's had so many oil changes, which is good news. At some point during the oil change, it got a leak in the oil plug hole in the oil pan, and today we're going to try to fix it. So this is a pretty quick video, pretty simple fix. I talked to my friends over at Napa, and what we're going to try is using this stuff called the Clear RTV silicone rubber adhesive sealant. What this is used for, it says it makes durable gaskets resistant to temperatures and most shop fluids. So we're going to give that a try today. So here's what the guys at Napa suggested. I'm going to take the new plug. Guys at Napa suggested the new plug. It's got a new washer on it with another, it actually has two washers on it there. I'm going to put a little bead of silicone around there, and hopefully that'll seal up around the oil pan and keep our leak shut. So we'll give that a try here. And I just opened the silicone. Silicone's about, the RTV, clear RTV is about $4, so not too bad. And see if we can just put a small bead of that in here. Get it all the way around. It's a little bit hard with my left hand. And after we put this on, we'll let it dry for a while. We'll give that a try. So now it's under the car. We go. Let's see if we can do this. Don't have the luxury of, obviously, of lift. Put this on. Let's see if our silicone is working. Make sure we ratchet this down, because that could be a source of leaks right in itself. Okay, well, obviously there isn't much action footage as far as did it work or not, but like I said, it did work on multiple occasions after I did this fix. Highly recommend it. It's something to give it a try. At least it's a $4 to $5 repair before you go ahead and replace the entire pan. You probably don't need to do that. So I hope you find that helpful. I've got a lot more material coming your way. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you want more tips, tricks, and more car videos on how to make your car last a long time. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.